Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G31, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first just select the applications and just hold the application for a while and drag it to the another app. And as can you see here, we got the new folder on our screen, and just by the same way you can add one more application here. Here you can edit the name of your app. Just here you can enter, for example, the app's name. Now just tap here to done, and as can you see, we just renamed our folder. If you want, you can also here move the folder on the screen. Just hold for a while and move it here. Also you can move the folder between the screen by this way. Now we'll just go back, and if you want to just remove the application from the folder, hold for a while the app and drag it here, or also you can drag it to the remove icon, and that's it. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.